Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to welcome you to the duel today. Our table fan, Tim versus a Ferrari. Tim is here to prove, despite of size, that he's strong enough to push back this Ferrari with its 740 horsepower. The battle will be epic. Let the fight begin. Okay, dear Tim, you might not be the strongest fan in the world and no way stronger than this beautiful Ferrari, but you're definitely the most courageous and adventurous fan in the whole world. Thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen, and have a great day.